Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I am going to color my hair.
May I have your attention, please?
So,
I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what
I just cut it short, DIY short hair. I cut it for at least 4 to 5 inches. And now I am going to color, or we are going to dye our hair at home. I am going to lighten it first so that I can color it with the color it with the actual color that I wanted, which is gray. So I want a silver blonde or gray hair. So parang ash blonde. The first color that we're gonna be using is a Loreal Feria. It's a hyper platinum. So I'm sorry for the background. Baby is just on the other room. And bukas yung door kaya ang ingay niya. I'm going to use this hyper platinum Loreal Feria. And the actual color that I really wanted is this one. So, ayan. I am hoping na ma-achieve ko siya ng ganyan. Hindi ako masyadong umaasa because my hair is so dark. So, naturally, it's a natural black hair. And my hair is chemically treated. It's not a virgin hair anymore. Okay? I am not a professional. Can damage your hair, and hair dyes might cause allergies. So beware. Okay? This is the color that I really wanted. It's L'Oreal Superior Preference, and it's in a soft silver blonde 8S. To lighten it first so that I will be able to achieve this color. Okay. Let us see what will be the outcome after. So first, I'm going to dye it first with a lighter shade. And then right after I washed it and I dried it, that will be the time that I'm going to apply this. So since this is a lighter shade, I am not going to color the roots anymore. So magsa-start ako dito sa medyo lower portion.
beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wild. Baby, then who's up if I want? Then being pretty, honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
Let's get started. So what we have inside is instructions with the gloves. We have this developer, lightener cream. So this, you need to combine the bleaching powder because it will lift your hair color 8 times, up to 8 times. So you really needed the bleach. So this can really damage your hair. But kagustuhan natin na maging ganyan yung hair color. So, ang tagal ko na yan pinag-isipan, ilang months na. Kasi ang boring na ng hair ko. So, gusto ko naman ng bumalik sa dating kulay, diba? Have this conditioner. So, this conditioner, it's a purple conditioner anti-brass. So, every time you're using it, nababawasan yung pagka-brass niya, yung mga yellow tones, nagiging cooler tone siya. So, maganda yung, mas maganda kung may purple shampoo ka, purple conditioner. I did it into 4 sections. So, it's not going to be a step-by-step tutorial anymore. And this, let's combine this all together and you need to shake it. Let's start. done. I already distributed the color and I'm just going to comb it so that it will be scattered. I was not able to evenly color every strand. I tried my best, but unfortunately, I failed. So it's really best that you have someone to do it for you. For 40 to 60 minutes and I'll be back. Hi everyone! I'm back with a super brassy yellow hair.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty.
So I know it's very uneven and it doesn't look good. There are lots of yellow tones. It's so brassy, but we're not yet done. So let's go ahead and do the second color, the Silver Blonde 8S of L'Oreal Preference. 2019 color of the year of L'Oreal. First color, those that has dark spots. Yan. Of course, the developer conditioner have the color gel. So this is the one that you will combine with the developer. Go ahead and combine these two. So I'm so ready with my gloves. So I'm done with the overall color. I'll just wait for 40 to 60 minutes and then I'll wash it. And I'll show you guys the result. Hi everyone! So I am back with the color result and it is the hair color result of what I did. OMG, it's a fail for me. It's actually been 3 days since I last did the hair color, and I even used purple shampoo, purple conditioner, and still it's a bit yellow and brassy. Ayan. I was not able to film right after I did the color, right after I took a shower because I was disappointed with the result. I was expecting a gray hair color, but maybe I need to bleach it more. I need to do additional bleach, which can damage my hair. So I will just wait until my hair is ready to get colored again. So I will flash a picture of the hair that I wanted it to be, but unfortunately, hindi siya para sa akin, guys. Not bad. I can still tolerate. Kaya ko pa naman lumabas ng ganito yung hair ko. Hindi ko lang nakuha yung gusto kong hair. So, ayun. Maybe next time, some other time, or next year, baka yung ganong hair color. But here it is, guys. Here is the finished hair color from those two Loreal Feria boxes. The lightning here is yellow. Yellow, parang white yellow yung bulb. So, kaya parang mas yellowish siya. Pero medyo ashy naman siya. Ash blonde siya in person. Nang magmukhang boring yung hair ko. Kailangan natin magayos. Mga mommies out there. So, ayun. Hope you like this video. And please, you do like, please share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please be safe and God bless us all. Bye!
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good